Thanks for joining us for the weekend edition, Express Bullet Edition, Canadian bacon stocks. Hopefully, putting a sizzle in your stock portfolio. A lot of Bitcoin, a lot of crypto stuff going on in the next few weeks, and in the last 2 or 3 weeks, there's been craziness. And on your screen, we'll get right to the heat maps. These are active heat maps right now for Bitcoin. Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and BNB, you can see is happening over there. Let's get to the big news, though. The big news for crypto, Bitcoin this weekend. Those are our crypto coins. Just before we get to the big news, excluding Bitcoin. Everything was in the green earlier today, and that's 8:05 right now, Eastern Standard Time, November the 30th, 2024. A few of them, I got the Shiba on there. Shiba's up. I told you about the Shiba before. Solana, XRP we'll discuss. And a little Dogecoin up 2%. Moving over, here's what's happened in crypto today. This is very important to know. And that's why I'm doing the weekend edition, Bullet Express edition for Canadian bacon stocks. So today in crypto, falling Bitcoin dominance. If you don't mind me reading this to you real quick, it's so important. It hints at an altcoin rally in December. Spot Ether ETFs reached a new record for daily inflows, and Curve and Elixir joined forces to expand DeFi access for BlackRock's tokenized money market fund. Bitcoin dominance hints at an alt season. Bitcoin dominance has printed a significant signal for altcoin investors that could see smaller cryptocurrencies rally December 2024 and attract more investments ahead of January the 20th. Bitcoin dominance, which measures the ratio of Bitcoin to the total value of the crypto market, has fallen to 56.1%, below its 2-year support line, signaling that the market is officially in alt season. Not rabbit season, not duck season, but officially in alt season, wrote popular analyst Mickey Bull Crypto in November the 30th X posts. A notable down here, by the way, just over where my mouse is here, in crypto slang, alt season, short for altcoin season, refers to the collective rally of cryptocurrencies besides BTC, which tend to benefit from Bitcoin's declining dominance. And that's why I wanted to show you this flowchart coming up. And then we'll move it on into the Canadian Bacon Express Bitcoin, I guess, crypto edition. And declining Bitcoin dominance suggests that investors are taking profit from their BTC positions and investing part of these funds into altcoins. Here's what the flow chart looks like. You got your starting up here, then you got the fiat and then kicking down Bitcoin, large caps, mid caps, low caps, up to Bitcoin and your fiat. Interesting enough, just one more note here. Crypto investor interest has already spread to smaller assets such as Ethereum, noted here. It's down a little bit right now. Demand for leverage Ethereum exchange traded funds ETFs rose by over 160% since President-elect Donald Trump won the 2024 presidential election. That's very interesting. Another notable in the Bitcoin sector for this weekend, this is dated November 30th, 2024 at 1900 hours. And this is very interesting. A known, as Bitcoin nears 100,000, don't be left behind. A known personal finance book author joined many cryptocurrency analysts in saying that Bitcoin could hit 100,000 anytime soon as the crypto reached the $96,000 mark today. Interesting enough. So it's going to push to 100, they saw. But down here it's noted, once Bitcoin passes $100,000, it'll be almost impossible for the poor and middle class to catch up. That's very interesting. And he says, the American author explained that once Bitcoin becomes more accessible to the only to the ultra wealthy holders of traditional fiat currencies such as the euro, the dollar, and yen. They'll lose out. And so that's a very interesting thing. He says only the ultra rich, such as corporations, banks, and sovereign wealth funds, will be able to afford Bitcoin of any consequence once it kicks up there. That's because we're in the Express Bullet Edition. Let's look at some of the options that I got to be honest with you. I was a very shy guy years ago on the crypto, and now I'm back big time, 95% of my trades. And my trailing average is 28.06% in the last 30 days. So it's almost 30% on the crypto, which isn't too bad. But I'm not shy to say that 85, 90 as percent of my trades are in crypto. One of the ones that I like to have you look on your watch list is Galaxy Digital Holdings, right? This is something to look at. The watch list is trading at $25.61 Canadian. And it's worth looking into. This is on the TSX. And another one notable is another Galaxy Bitcoin unhedged ETF, trading at $20.10 Canadian, up 52 cents on Friday. It's a big day. These are very notable to put on your watch list. Another one that was notable and active trading, and I'll show you some more information on this Hut 8 Corp in a moment. But it's trading for $39.64, up $1.24 on Friday, November the 29th. There's your Hut information here, and Hut operates as a Bitcoin miner that focuses on mining, provides digital asset mining, hosting, and managed infrastructure operation services. New company in a great place, founded in January 27th, 2023, and is headquartered in Miami, Florida. So there you go on the Hut 8. Put that on your notable. We're looking at Ethereum on November the 29th. Spot Ethereum ETFs saw noticeable inflow of $332 million, mainly from BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust. Total ETF value exceeded $11 billion, with Grayscale managing over half. Very notable. So these are on the blockchain, guys. As most of you know, some people don't know from my channel. And we have the Solana. And Solana is kicking it up, and it's live as we see now. That's a very nice crypto option these days. And there's your Solana. And just down below, look at this, year to date, 158%. 1 year, 345%. And of course, Solana, for those that don't know, is a protocol praised for a lot for its performance and speed, all for the sake of I always had time with that, facilitating decentralized apps. I like it because the protocol is even doted on for its proof of history consensus that improves scalability and consequently usability. So that's your Solana. I kind of blew the intro on that Solana. BNB, the Binance, check it out. Check it out. I think we got a year over year right over. Look at this. 1 year BNB is 170% up. Oh my goodness, 5 years has gone up 3,000% on the BNB. I missed that bus, eh? So anyways, look at what we're looking at for the weekend. So as you note on your screen right now, the Bitcoin has a quick closing here on Bullet Train Express. Remember to look before you leap. Do a little calendar check on 1 week, month, 6 months. Go back on these cryptos. Check it out. Check it out. So hopefully we're putting a sizzle in your stock portfolio. And look at these Bitcoins, and you do you, right? So if you're like to hold on to these long time day trades, swing. I'm doing a lot of swing and day trading on these cryptos. Keep your highs and your fries for next week in December, the first week in December. And the news I've been giving you, it looks like there's altcoins are coming up big time in December. You watch them go. All the ones I've shown you today. And there's Canadian options for buying all those types of altcoins. maybe in American funds. Happy trading next week. Keep your eyes on your fries, as I mentioned to you, and thanks for your time.